Let me introduce myself first. So my name is Hidayaturrahman, and I used to call Dito from Business and Economic Faculty, which will explain to you about the fair allocation. The welfare function approach is a very general way to describe social welfare, but because it is so general, it can be used to summarize the properties of many kinds of moral judgment. On the other hand, it isn't much use in deciding what kinds of ethical judgment might be reasonable ones. Another approach is to start with some specific moral judgment and then examine their implication for economic distribution. We can start with a definition of what might be considered a fair way to divide a bundle of goods, and then we can use our understanding of economic analysis to investigate its implication. For example, suppose that you were given some goods to divide fairly among an equally deserving people. How will you do it? It is probably safe that you say that in this problem, most people will divide the goods equally among the n agents, given that they are by hypothesis equally deserving. What else could you do? What is appealing about this idea of equal division? One appealing feature is it is symmetric. Each agent has the same bundle of goods. No agents proper any other agent bundle of good to his or her own, since they all have exactly the same thing. Unfortunately, an equal division will not necessarily be Pareto efficient. If agents have different tastes, they will generally desire to trade away from equal division. So let's suppose that this trade takes place and that is moves us to a Pareto efficient allocation. The question will arise. So the question is this Pareto efficient allocation still fair in any sense? Does trade from equal division inherit any of the symmetry of the starting point? So the answer is it is not necessarily. It's not necessarily. For the example, we have three people. We have people A, B, and C. So A and B have the same taste, and C have different tastes. We start from an equal division. And suppose that A and C get together and trade. So the A and C will trade. Then they will typically both be made better off. Now B, who didn't have the opportunity to trade with the C, will envy A, that is, he will prefer A's bundle to his own, even though A and B start with the same allocation. A was luckier in her trading, and this destroyed the symmetry of the original allocation. So it's all about my explanation about the fair allocation. So thank you.